AI is transforming the way we live, work and even seek help. But, can ChatGPT really replace a human therapist? Let's find out the answer of this question. With the rise of AI chatbots like ChatGPT, many are turning to technology for emotional support as well. It's affordable and available anytime. It listens, responds, and never judges. But, does it really understand your pain? ChatGPT can offer immediate responses, gives logical advices, reframe your thoughts, and even suggest coping strategies when no one else is there. And, for some, it's a first step toward seeking help. But therapy is not just about advice. It's about human connection. And ChatGPT can't feel your heartbreak. It can't hold your trembling hand, it can't sense your silent tear. Yes, AI lack empathy, can't read body language, and miss critical emotional cues. It can never replace human empathy. But maybe it can be a small light in the darkest hours. It can be helpful for good advice, but it's not a replacement for human therapy. Mental health issues require professional, personalized care. Hence, ChatGPT never replace human therapist because empathy is most crucial in psychotherapy. What do you think? Can ChatGPT replace therapist? Share your thoughts.